I was working recently in a project in Premiere and I decided to put a transform effect on a layer. For some reason, I got this. Premiere became corrupt, the file crashed, and yeah. I was pissed. If you ever experience this, don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid. I feel it too.
Don't worry, because you can always retrieve your previous work even if you are working in your project and you're not constantly saving and versioning up. At least a good amount of work in between the time that you last saved, right? So I want to take you through the process and how to retrieve that work. So let's open up Premiere. Well, not really open up Premiere, but let me take you through the process. So here we go. Here's the folder that I'm working in, and I already labeled the file that became corrupt. And so let's open this up. And of course, this Premiere file is corrupt and it crashed. So here's a way to retrieve your most recent work. When you go into your project file, you're going to see these two folders up here. So Premiere is actually, while you're working, it's saving your files in the background. Before starting any work on your project, it's a good thing to know that you can set your project to autosave while you work. Here are the steps to do that. So you're going to go up to Edit, you're going to go all the way down to Preferences, and then up to General. Click that. And now you're going to go down to Autosave. Check the box for automatically saves projects. My project is saving every 15 minutes with a maximum project versions of 20 files. That should be good to go. Just go down and click OK. So you're gonna have Adobe Premiere Pro Audio Previews and then Adobe Premiere Pro Auto Save. This is the folder that you're gonna wanna look into to find your most recent project before Premiere crashed. So the way that I found the more recent project is by looking at the date and the time. So 2/6/2025, 8:16 a.m. That's when Premiere crashed. And so I'm gonna go in here and look for the most recent. 2/6/25, so 2/6/25, 7:46, 2/6/25, 8:09. All right, so let's click that. And click, and there you go. Looks like it's not crashing, but anyways, that's it for today. That's how you retrieve your work when experiencing a corrupt file and your project just crashing. After this happened to me recently, I felt like it would be a good video to make a video on. But anyways, stick around for more videos in the future. Think about your next project and just create it. All right, till next time, peace.